among the 7 days of the week, in Sanskrit, Saturday has got 3 names. One is Shanivar, second is Mandavar, the third is Thiravar. The first word is Shanivar because of Bhagavan Shanidev. Bhagavan Shanidev, who is among the planets, planet Saturn. Actually speaking, if you see the sky and if you see the planets through the telescope, the most beautiful planet is Saturn. The most beautiful planet is Saturn. The only planet which has got rings around. The only planet which has got beautiful rings around is Saturn. So it is so beautiful that whenever you see it through the telescope, you feel like looking at it one side. And among the movements of the planets, the planet Shani takes the longest time to complete one revolution around the sun. 30 years. It takes 30 years, human years, to complete one full round, that is revolution around the sun. So this Bhagavan Shani, according to astrology, he is the one who is a brake for all our activities. He is like a brake. He keeps reminding us that you are on the wrong path. He is the person, whenever we say Shani Mahatma, if Shani has come into our picture or he is influencing us, most of the time we say, Bhagavan Shani aa gaya to kasht aaya. But that kasht is a very special type of kasht. It's exactly like Corona. That particular difficulty what Shani Mahatma gives is exactly like Corona only. That is, he keeps reminding us of our original duties, of the brake which is required in addition to the accelerator. Most of the time we are all concentrating the accelerator, like young people who go on the roads with the silencer removed and with the motorbike they go, young people, just to show off that they have got a motorbike. They remove silence so that they can disturb the sleep and everybody who is there. So this is just what you call as negligence, recklessness. In order to take the recklessness, he comes into a picture in our horoscope. The Manda is called because he goes slowly. Shani in Sanskrit means Shanai gacchati iti Shanihi. Shanai gacchati iti Shani. Mandam gacchati iti Manda. Slow. Manda also means slow. Sthiravasara, because it appears stationary. All the other planets seem to be moving. But he appears stationary because 2.5 years he stays in one Rashi. So it's called as Sthiravasara. So among all these three different meanings of Shani Mahatma, Bhagavan Shani, when he is in very severe, very severely he is attacking us. That time, it is Hanuman who comes to our rescue. It is Hanuman who comes to our rescue with all his Teja Pratapa Mahajagavandana. He comes and then he very beautifully looks after us. So today, we are just beginning the Sundara Kandam of Valmiki Ramayana on Shanivar, Sthiravar, remembering Bhagavan Shani and requesting not to be so severe with anybody, and also requesting him to come, because if he comes only, Bhagavan Hanuman will come, otherwise he won't come. So Hanuman will come and Shani Mahatma is there. So we request both of them to be with us, always be with us. Make sure that we are controlled in our activities, never reckless, never negligent. So we are just starting, just a recap of whatever we have heard all the while. Ramayanam, Srimad Valmiki Ramayanam. To put it in very simple, it is the most beautiful composition in the whole world. We can say it with proclaim. It is the most ancient composition. That is why Kavi Valmiki is called as Adi Kavi. Pujantam Ram Rameti Madhuram Madhuraksharam Aruhya Kavita Shaka Mande Valmiki Kokilam. Valmiki has been compared to a nightingale. Cuckoo has been compared to a cuckoo who sits on the Kavita Shaka and says Ram, Ram, Ram. Aruhya Kavita Shaka Mande Valmiki Kokilam. So that Bhagavan Rishi Valmiki, a very great soul. But if you see the previous life of Valmiki was Ratnakar Daku. He was a robber, he was a thief, he was a dacoit. So when he met Bhagavan Narad Rishi, and then he had satsang with Narad Rishi, then he becomes a very pious soul, and then he sits down for tapasya, and for a long period he sits down for tapasya, and what happens is, there is an ant hill. Ant hill is formed, Hutta. Hutta is formed above him. Kannada we say Hutta. So that is formed on him, and ultimately it comes to the head and closes his head also. So if he is fully covered by the anthill, when he is fully covered by the anthill, after so many years, somebody passing by, they find that some sound is coming from inside. And that, what is that sound? Ram, 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 Ram. Only Ram, 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 Ram is there. He didn't know how to say Ram also, they taught him Mara, 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 Mara. Mara, Mara, it became Ram. Ultimately, they broke the anthill and saw that tapasvi is there, only bones, nothing, no flesh. So then they slowly gave him water and then he came out. Then, because he came from an ant hill, which is called as Valmikam. In Sanskrit, ant hill is called as Valmikam. So he was called as Valmiki Rishi. The great Rishi Valmiki has given us this. He is the first ever Kavi to give such a long kavya in this world. There is no other composition in this world as big as Ramayana, original kavya. Only after that, all the other poetry, whatever you see in any other language, you will see, is only after Ramayana. That is the longest kavya in the world. And it has got, Bhagavan Valmiki Rishi has compiled it in 7 kandas. He brought the Charitra. The first kanda is called Bala Kanda, and then Ayodhya Kanda, then Aranya Kanda, Kishkindha Kanda, then Yuddha Kanda, Sundara Kanda, then Yuddha Kanda, or what called Lanka Kanda, and then comes the Uttara Kanda. So 7 kandas. In the 7 kandas, the most beautiful kanda is Sundara Kanda. That is where Hanuman goes to Lanka, fetches the information about Sita, and comes back with very, very good news. So even till today, people who want something good to happen to them in this world, anything in their mind they have, they will read the Sundara Kanda. It removes all difficulties and gives all prosperity, health, everything. So we are starting, till yesterday we did the Sankat Mochan Hanuman Ashtak. Earlier we did Hanuman Chalisa meaning. Here also we will read the meaning, we will not hurry. We will take about 2 shlokas. Here we will take 2 shlokas a day. Om Ramaya Ramaputraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha. Sundara Kandam. This is the book 5 of the Valmiki Ramayana. And in that one we have Sarga number 1, or what we call as chapter number 1. This first chapter of Sundara Kandam describes Hanuman's preparations to cross the ocean in search of Sita. Mighty Hanuman's flight over the ocean is described in glorious detail. Hanuman's encountering of Manka, Surasa and Simvika form important phases of this flight. Tato Ravana Nitaya Sitaya Shatrukarshana Iyesha Padamanveshtum Charanacharite Pathi. Tato mane after that. What does it after means? After the discussion is over on the seashore. Tato means after. What was the discussion which had taken place? That Sampati, the brother of Jatayu, has seen Ravana taking Sita by the Akasha Marga. So that is, he had given the witness. People found Sampati was hurt, and he leaves his life also, he leaves prana. So that after seeing Rama meet Sampati, gives moksha to Sampati. From there onwards he proceeds. He proceeds forward, and then they come to the seashore. And then when they come to the seashore, after crossing Rameshwaram, Sri Rama has done Shiva Puja at Rameshwaram. He has installed the Shivalinga with his own hands by the sand. He has made the Shivalinga. Even today, the Rameshwaram Shivalinga is called as Parthiva Linga. It's called as Parthiva Linga. The earth element is there. So Rama has made the Shivalinga, done the puja. Then he has invited the Samudra Raja. After a little while, Samudra Raja has come and he has given an idea. You can make a bridge. But the bridge they did not make there. They went to Dhanushkoti, still further. and the Dhanushkoti. From there they are about to, but this is before Hanuman has brought the information. After Hanuman has brought. But even before Sri Ram has come, even before Sri Ram has come to the seashore, all of them are standing there. Sugriva has given them the order that who is going to bring the information of Sita. Who is going to bring the information of Sita? And Ishwan said that I will not be able to cross the ocean. Then ultimately Jambavan reminds Hanumanji. And Hanuman says, Jai Shri Ram. And then he is ready. So, Tato Ravana Nitaya Sitaya Shatru Karshana. After that discussion, Sri Ram, that is Hanuman, now he is going to Iyesha Padam Anveshtum Charana Charite Pati. Now he is intending to go on the same path as Ravana has gone. On the same path to find out how he has gone. How did he come to know? He has heard about this one and now Jamban has given him the prayer now. What is the marga? He says, Charana Charite Pati. Charana Charite means Charana is, that is, they are the treated by Charanas or the informants. They are called the people who inform. That is, they are like Dutas. So the way which they have gone, so now he wants to travel. What is his name now? Here say Shatru Karshana. Hanuman has become Shatru Karshana. He will give lot of trouble to the Shatrus. Whose Shatrus? Sita's Shatrus. Ravana has taken Sita. Hanuman is going to now start the path. After that, Hanuman, the destroyer of foes, desired to travel in the sky where celestials like Charanas tread to search for Sita, who was taken away by Ram. Dushkaram Nishpratidvandvam Chikirshan Karma Vanaraha Samudagra Shiro Grivo Gavam Patiriva Babhau. Dushkaram Nishpratidvandvam, most difficult task. Dushkaram means most difficult task. Nishpratidvandvam, without any obstacles. Chikirshan, he is intending to do that one. Karma, that particular Dushkaram karma is going to do, which nobody has done ever in life. Samudagra Shiro Griva, he put his head up, chest up, just like our military. Everything ready, Savdhan has become. And then Gavam Patiriva is now standing like a bull. And Hanuman is ready to take off. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And he's taken off. Jai Sri Ram. We offer this study of these two verses at the lotus feet of Hanuman. And we feel very, very fortunate that he is continuously giving us an opportunity. First he gave the opportunity for the Hanuman Chalisa, then for the Sankat Mochan Hanuman Ashtam, then we have Sri Ramcharitmanas going on, we have now the Valmiki Ramayana Sundarkanda. Hari Om.